Hello and welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy, Conditional Statements section. This is comparison operators. When writing conditional statements, sometimes we need to use different types of operators to compare values. These operators are called comparison operators. Here's a list of some handy comparison operators and their syntax. This would be the less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, is equal to, is not equal to. Comparison operators compare the value on the left with the value on the right. For instance, 10 less than 12 evaluates to true. It can be helpful to think of comparison statements as questions. When the answer is yes, the statement evaluates to true, and when the answer is no, the statement evaluates to false. The code above would be asking, is 10 less than 12? Yes, so 10 less than 12 evaluates to true. We can also use comparison operators on different data types like strings. Apples equals oranges would evaluate to false. In the example above, we're using the identity operator triple equals to check if the string apples is the same as the string oranges. Since the two strings are not the same, the comparison statement evaluates to false. All comparison statements evaluate to either true or false and are made up of two values that will be compared, an operator that separates the values and compares them accordingly. Let's practice using these comparison operators. Using let, create a variable named hunger level and set it equal to 7. So here, let hunger level be assigned 7. Run that. Next, write an if-else statement using a comparison operator. The condition should check if hunger level is greater than 7. If so, the conditional statement should log time to eat. Otherwise, it should log we can eat later. After you press run, play around with the condition by tweaking the comparison of each hunger level by using different operators such as less than equal to, greater than equal to, greater than, and less than. Go here and then write an if-else statement. So we do if, condition should check hunger level. So if hunger level is greater than 7, then we should do this, console log time to eat, else or otherwise console log we can eat later. So let's see, this should print out we can eat later, since here 7 is not greater than 7. So we can guess that it will print we can eat later. So we pass that and it does say we can eat later. Like it says, if we change this to greater than or equal to, then it should print time to eat because 7 is equal to 7. If we do triple equals, that should also be true. So it should print time to eat. And if we do hunger level less than or greater than, or less than or equal to, it should also print time to eat. So here we're just learning about comparison operators and how we can use them to see if a condition evaluates to true or false. If it does evaluate to true, it can run the code. If not, it could continue to the next conditional. If you guys get that, you guys got this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.